How to create LinkedIn professional post on Canva in only 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create LinkedIn professional post on 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Canva. This is the Canva app. Now go down and click on this plus button right here and search for LinkedIn right here. After you search, go and click on LinkedIn post right here. Click on LinkedIn post and wait a few seconds until it takes you here to this page. On this page you will find templates that are ready to change anything you want from them. Now click on any post, for example this one. Now you are able to change anything here. For example, you can add the name or anything here. Jacob Free, for example, you can click on the image and change it here. Click replace and add any image you want. And also you can change here, anything on this page can be changed. After you finish, click here in the top corner and then click download. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.